If you are trying to figure out who reposted your Instagram post, there are only a couple of places that consistently give you real answers. In this video, I will show you the fastest way to see names when Instagram shows them, and the backup methods when it does not. First, Instagram reposts are not the same as story shares. This is specifically about people reposting your post or reel to their feed, where it can show up under reposts. Start with the easiest option, your notifications. Open Instagram, then go to your activity or notifications area. When someone reposts your post or reel, Instagram can send an alert that looks similar to a like or comment notification. You will usually see something like, username reposted your post. If you see that notification, that is the cleanest way to get the exact account name, because Instagram is literally telling you who did it. If you want to see how many reposts your content got overall, Insights is the fastest way, but there is an important limitation. To use Insights, you need a professional account, either creator or business. Once you have that, open the post or reel, tap into Insights, and look for reposts. You will see a total number, but Instagram typically will not list the usernames here. So think of Insights as your numbers view, not your names view. If you suspect a specific account reposted you, there is a manual way to confirm it. Go to that person's profile and look for their repost tab. If they reposted your post to their feed, your content can appear there. This method takes more time, but it is helpful when you did not get a notification or you are trying to verify a specific account. If you are thinking, wait, why can I see totals but not always names? That is normal. Instagram does not always provide a full list of who reposted your content. Notifications can show usernames when they happen, but Insights usually focuses on overall counts. So the best approach is simple. Check notifications first if you want usernames, then check Insights if you want the total repost count, and use profile checking as your backup when you suspect a specific account. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you found the tips useful.